How to delete recent ad activity on Facebook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or hide your recent added friend activity on Facebook using your iPhone or Android device. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're gonna head over and click on these three horizontal lines of menu at the bottom right. And then you're going to click on this gear icon at the top right. And once you do so, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the option of your activity. You're going to click on activity log, and then you're going to scroll down and select the specific activity that you wish to delete. For example, I'm going to click on your Facebook activity, and then I'm going to click on manage comments and reactions. And here you'll be able to see all of the activities that you have done. Or if you wish to change posts, so you're going to click on manage posts, and you can see all of the posts activity that I have added on Facebook. Now, if you wish to delete a specific activity, you're going to click on these three dots, and then you're going to click on move to archive, hide from profile, change audience, move to bin, whatever you want. I'm going to click on move to bin. So what basically happens is that Facebook doesn't automatically delete everything once you click on delete, because what if you delete something by mistake and you want to recover that? So you're going to click on move to bin, and it will move to a recycle bin. And if you wish to recover from there, you can go and recover. If you don't want to do that, then it will automatically delete everything after 30 days. Or you can simply go to the recycle bin and delete it again for permanent deletion. So I'm going to click on move to recycle bin, and here you can see that specific activity has been removed. So that was how you can delete recent ad activity on Facebook. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.